Go on and smash that subscribe button, Stinky Heads. I know you're watching the video. Hey, what's happening, Stinky Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know. Go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got that what? That weekly
Weekly,
heat, baby.
that weekly
The
heat,
weekly
baby.
heat.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So go on and
hmm
start us off, my brother.
February the 2nd, Jordan Brand, MJ is a golf fanatic. Jordan Brand is always at it with this releasing of these golf shoes. But this one right here, my brother, this shoe right here is a special shoe, right? The Air Jordan Mule Golf Brand, right? It was released, so like I mentioned, February the 2nd. Asking price for that is 110. But what makes this shoe so unique? It has no laces. It has
What?
no laces. None. No laces. It's designed for easy entry, right? My thing is, hey, those golfers out there, hey, drop us a comment down below if you do cop these. Because my concern is how will they stay on your foot, playing around the golf, right? It looked like a slip-on slipper, right? Hey, Jordan Brand, I feel like my brother, hey, Jordan Brand gonna be thinking outside the box this year. And I can with this shoe here, this golf shoe, they stepping out there with this one. But hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking these or dropping these, my brother. Hey, me not being a golf fan, I'm all about the swag with my J's. But this is a shoe that I actually rock, right? Outside of golf, right? It look
Yes,
like
sir.
it's a comfortable shoe where if you just wanted to go from point A to point B, hey, just slip them in, right? So, hey, saying that, my brother, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those. What about you?
I agree with you, and it's not often that we agree together, but this is a Jordan 1 low. So technically, I do rock the Jordan 1 low, so it's more likable silhouette for me. So I am rocking these as well. I'm rocking them because I do think that's a nice colorway for the first one. And also, like my bro said, it's like thinking outside the box. So I would just love to cop these and try them on to see how they fit. And of course, I don't golf either, but like my bro said, they do look like a slip-on. So Jordan 1 slip-on. So,
Right.
you know, I love to test those out. So stay tuned for that. If we get a chance to get some, we'll get them in and review those on the channel for you. But hey, let us know in the comments. Are you rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir.
So moving on to February the 3rd, the next day, we do have those Jordan 3 Craft, ivory/gray. I know most of the sneakerheads have been hyping this sneaker up, but I do think this is a nice colorway. However, I think it's dropping at the wrong time. As you know, the heavy hitter of the month will be those Jordan Bread 4s, which are set to release February the 17th. And because of that, I do see these sitting. Also, the Craft series hasn't been doing well. And with the price of 210, which is a little bit higher than normal, I do not expect these to sell out. So am I rocking these or dropping these? I am rocking these. This does feature predominantly white colorway, does have gray across the cement print, but it also, because it's a craft, it does have that extra material, as you see, that's going alongside of the front toe box as well as the back of the cement gray. Where the eyelids are at, does feature extra material right there as well. The biggest thing, I think, the reason why these sneakerheads are hyping this shoe up is because of the back tab. It will feature that Nike Air on the back as well as the Jordan Jumpman. So I think because of that, and this is a very unique tab because you can kind of see through. You can see the Nike Air branding, which I do think is a nice touch. Again, it's already aged out. Do I need these in my collection? I don't think so because, I do have the original right here, Pure Monies, and, my back tab is already aging out. Except for I don't have that Nike Air on the back. And not only do I have these white Air Jordans, which are similar to this one, I do have, the Jordan 3 white cement as well as the Jordan 3 Muslim. So both of these shoes are similar to this one, and that's why I think I don't need these. And like I said, I do not have a pair of Bread 4s in my collection, so I will be saving my money for that. But again, I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
Jordan Brand, I truly don't understand dropping this shoe, in the first quarter, with it being in the winter months. That really don't make sense. I am a fan, of this shoe. I love the gum bottom. I really love that gum bottom, but just dropping this shoe, in the first quarter doesn't really make sense to me, because if I did pick up these shoes, I wouldn't wear them into the spring or going into the summer, right? So I may just wait because that price, that asking price is a little steep, right
Yes, sir.
now, right now. So Jordan Brand, that really didn't make sense to drop that shoe so early. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you agree or just disagree. But that's just my honest opinion. But saying that, if I do cop them, it wouldn't be worn until, late spring going into that summer. But saying all that, my brother, I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those because I'm a 3 fan. I've always been a 3 fan, right? So I'm rocking
Yes.
those. Drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
So I will probably pick these up down the line if I can get these for under retail. Like I said, because of that high price point, and I already have, unfortunately, like I'm a fan of the Jordan 3, but unfortunately, most of the silhouettes are either all white or all black. Those are the two most popular colors. No, we do have some outliers where you have a gray, or you have a blue, or you have a red. But like once you already have a white or black, do you really need it anymore? I mean, I just picked up the Jordan 3 off North, so I pretty much already have a black pair and a white pair. So do I need another white pair? And like I told you, I already have 2 other white pairs. So how many more white pairs do I need? I'm
Yes,
still
sir.
looking out for those Jordan 3 navies because those are going on the retail right now too. So I'm looking to pick up those probably before these. And like I said, the craft series hasn't been doing well. The Jordan 4 is to me the most popular silhouette at the time. And the craft 4 olives just came out and those are performing on the retail. You can get those my size like $170. So these threes, threes is the lesser popular silhouette. So again, in my opinion, I would say save your money, get these for under retail if you want these. And for $5 more, you can get those Jordan 4 breads. Coming out on the February the 14th, but I'm just a fan of the breads because I don't have any in my collection. So it's kind of like an early, gassing up those. But hey, stay tuned for that.
Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.